Hi, it's John Meier here, showing you Warren County, and today we're in the heart of Wright City at Woehrle Co General Store, a brand new spot that brings downtown charm, big savings, right here on East North 1st Street. This place is packed with discount groceries, everything from pantry staples to the surprise finds you didn't even know you needed. And what's really cool? It's all about helping families stretch those hard-earned dollars a little further. But groceries is just the tip of the iceberg. You'll also find shelves packed with handcrafted bath and body products, like essential oil-infused tallow lotions, magnesium creams, scrubs, and soaps, all made right here in Missouri. They've got personal gifts too, embroidery, vinyl, crochet items, and even those amigurumi animals. Plus, one-of-a-kind handmade goods like Amish cutting boards, leather tool pouches, and dog leashes. And get this, Woehrle Company is a veteran-owned company, and they're all about serving this community with pride and purpose. New items come in every single week, so every bit is a little bit of a treasure hunt. You never know what you'll find, and that's part of the fun. So if you're in Wright City, make sure you stop by 107 East North 1st Street. Say hi and discover something new. You can even text them at 636-394-9449 or message them on Facebook if you want to check what's in stock. And guess what? They'll even help you carry your groceries out to your car, just like the good old days. So come support a local, veteran-owned business and see why Woehrle & Company General Store is quickly becoming Wright City's favorite place to shop local. I'm John Meier with Westplex Real Estate, here for all your real estate needs. Make it a great day.